I'm an art and design student. I'm in my final year of my BA degree, which is super exciting, but it definitely brings up the whole what am I going to do with my life thing. I've always known that I wanted to make a living doing something in the creative industry, and I'm sticking with that. The very first week of university, as in like first year, very first week, we had these induction sessions in different workshops. One that I did was the textiles workshop, and I went into that knowing absolutely nothing about textiles, and I had never done them before, and I had so much fun. I loved it. I found out that I have a talent for it, and I am so passionate about designing textiles now and surface pattern design. I didn't even know that surface pattern design was an industry until one of my tutors told me, and now it's my thing. It's what I do. Something that you are so passionate about might not even have occurred to you yet. Like my textiles, I had no idea. Textiles are actually an essential part of my practice now, which is crazy to think about. Honestly, I like making pretty things, and it just so happens that what I make really falls well into the commercial world, whether that is ceramics, textiles, prints, whatever it is. So I am commercializing my work. Maybe you do something else that you can use as freelance work, or making your own work and selling it online or selling it at markets. You can do so much with what you are already capable of, and show people your skills and show people what you do. Make sure that people know that that is something you do. Make sure people know that it is something you're good at. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to ask, whether it's to ask for help, whether it's to ask about workshops, opportunities, if your tutors know of anything. Just keep yourself open and keep yourself receptive to all the possibilities. If you are doing something that you love and you're trying to turn your passion into a career or into a job or whatever, then you are probably excited about this thing. You probably enjoy it so much that you do it anyway.